You are very kind. Make sure that gets done. So you're gonna be landing here on Monday? Or Sunday? Monday or Sunday? Sorry, I'm just waiting for my food. All I can think about is food right now. Good morning. She says there's one specific hotel she likes to. Oh, Bells. Yes, I know it. But you're landing in LHR, right? LHR. That means that's gonna be a long trip for you. Should I change my name to food? I love food. I love food. My food. I wanted to eat this with my spaghetti, but it's taking forever. Are you done yet? Leave on Sunday but land Monday morning. Oh, okay. Oh, you're gonna drive? That is like a 2-hour drive to go to where she's at. Do you travel a lot? It's like a 2-hour drive. It's a 2-hour drive. I'm gonna mix it again. Oh, I hear bubbling. Oh, I think it's burning. Fuck. No, it can't be burning. No. 1 second, guys. Oh no, it's burnt. Some of it. I'm still gonna eat it because I'm hungry. Let me put it on a plate. Let me put it on a plate. Oh, it looks amazing. Sorry, guys. I'm just putting my food on a plate and I'll be with you. It's burnt, but you know what? It's okay. Some of it's burnt. I'm gonna eat. That's what I'm doing. Where are you from? I'm in the UK. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna put you guys with my food. It's burnt. To be fair, it's not my cooking. I just heated it up, to be fair. But I messed that up as well. But it looks good, right? Kind of. It would be so nice with a piece of garlic bread. Or like something bready. Oh, it's steaming now. I have to wait for it to cool down. I don't have cheese. Let me see. Maybe there is cheese. Let me take a look. There's not cheese. There's no cheese. Unfortunately, there's no cheese. This is what I have to. This is what I have to. There's mayonnaise. Should I put some mayonnaise on it? It would cool it down as well. in. It's good, but it needs salt. It's really good, but it needs salt. Are you home? Yeah, I am home. It's just a mess here. I'm home. I'm scared I'm gonna put too much. Wait. You guys can watch me. It's not coming out. Wait. Oh shit. That's a lot. But oh my god. See what I mean? I caught it in my nail. But like, I always put too much salt. Why I never. Should I mix it in or should I try to take it out? I don't know what to do. Maybe if I mix it in, it won't be that bad. It's a lot of salt though, right? We're just gonna have to hope. It sounds weird. Too much, take it out, it's too late. I've already mixed it in, guys. Too slow. You know what, let me mute whilst I mix it in. 1 second, guys. I hope I mixed it in well enough. I hope I did. I'm gonna have a bite of this. Mmm. So good. Mmm. Wait, my cousin chicken Creole. I understand a little bit. I'm not good at speaking it. Can you speak English? Mmm. It tastes better now that I added the salt. We should definitely visit Mauritius. It's beautiful over there. Serena. Sorry, who? My dad's at work. No, he's gonna go away for a month soon. Should I mute whilst I eat? Tell me, yes or no, yes or no, quick. Should I mute whilst I eat? Should I mute whilst I eat? You guys are not telling me. I want to mute. I'm gonna mute whilst I eat. I feel like my noises are not that